Are you guys looking for the perfect place to put your phone in your 3rd gen Tundra? Well, right here we have a phone mount from Offroam. In this video, we're gonna be showing you 2 different styles, the clamp style and also a magnetic style. Let's get into it. So we have everything we need here from Offroam in order to get this installed into our 3rd gen Tundra. We have the mounting base, we have the arm, and then we have the 2 different styles of mounts, the magnetic mount and also the clamp style mount. So let's go ahead and get the mounting base open. We'll get the tools out we need and we'll get that installed right here on our driver's side vent. All right, so let's pull this out, and you're also going to get the Allen wrench you need in order to get this installed, and you also have some paper instruction there if you need them. So in order to get this off of the cardboard piece, we're just gonna loosen that screw in the center. We'll go ahead and pull that out. So these pieces from Offroam are billet aluminum. They're anodized black, so it has a really nice feel, and it looks like a quality made piece. Also on the back side, it has a really nice rubber piece, so where it sits up against your vent, you don't have to worry about it making any marks. So we're gonna loosen up our screw, allowing us to pull back on this piece. You can see we have these 3 hooks that are gonna be grabbing the back side of your vent. So you wanna make sure to have these pulled back as far as you can. We'll go ahead and put that in there and tighten down the screw. All right, so we have that hooked into the vent, and if I pull on it, you can see that it is hooked on there and it's not going to come out. So now we can just go ahead and snug up our set screw, or Allen screw, to get it locked into our vent. So with the mounting base installed here on the vent, the next thing we're gonna open up is the arm. This is gonna be the piece to connect the mount base to the holder itself. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up, and we're gonna get it stuck onto the mounting base, and then we'll install both the magnetic base and also the clamp style holder to show you both. So we'll go ahead and place that onto the mounting base, and we'll just get this on there so it can't fall off. So the first style phone holder we're gonna put on is the magnetic one. I do wanna note this is a non-charging one. They do have a charging option, just so you know, and this is gonna stick to the back of your phone. If you have a phone case on your phone, this might not work. Offroam does offer a phone case with a magnet built in, or if you don't want to go that route, you could possibly go on Amazon and get something that will stick onto your existing phone cover so that this will stick. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So we'll go ahead and loosen this back up a little bit until the magnetic holder drops in place. And then we'll tighten this back up. We'll just make it snug so that we can still move this around. And now we'll get it positioned exactly how we want it, and then we'll go ahead and tighten this down. So with our mount fully installed, we can now easily stick our phone to it. Puts the phone in a perfect spot so you really don't have to take your eyes off the road, and you can still operate your vent just perfectly fine. All right, so we got the magnetic style mount done. We're gonna go ahead now, take this one back off, and we're gonna put on the clamp style and show you how that looks. So let's go ahead and open up the clamp style. Again, billet aluminum, anodized black, has some nice rubber pads in here to protect your phone, and it's easily opened and closed to get your phone in and out. Same deal, we'll loosen this up a little bit so that it can drop in. Go ahead and snug it up. Put it where we think it looks good, and crank it down tight. All right, now we can go ahead, easily install our phone. This thing is really solid. Your phone isn't going anywhere, and you can easily take it out as well. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this one. Quick and easy phone mount install from Offroam for your 3rd gen Tundra. If you guys have any questions about any of this stuff, make sure to drop a comment down below. If you want to pick one of these up for your Tundra, make sure to head over to Xpedition.com. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.